How to cultivate Durian Montong to be fruitful fast for beginners. Durian, or known by the scientific name Duriosibithius, is one of the fruits of the tropical plants of Southeast Asia region. Durian comes from the family Malvaceae. Fruit durian capsule type with a round shape, oval to long, oval to 25 cm and diameter up to 20 cm. The skin of the fruit is thick, the surface is sharp or thorny, has a yellowish-green color, brownish, until grayish or pure. Durian fruit has a very sharp aroma, and tastes good, but not everyone likes the durian fruit because the stinging aroma causes nausea. Durian fruit has several species other than D. zibithius. True durian is also regarded as durian. In Indonesia there are recorded 20 species of Durio members, of almost 30 species, but only 9 of them are edible. Scientific classification. Kingdom, Platy. Order, Malvaceae. Family, Malvaceae. Genus, Durio. Species, D. zibithius. There are many types of durian spread in Indonesia, such as Durian Montong, Durian King Civet, Red Durian and so forth. Well, this time we will discuss about how to cultivate Durian Montong. Durian Montong has a very good taste with thick meat compared with other types of durian. Here's how to cultivate Durian Montong. 1. Preparation of Durian Montong seed. Seeds can be obtained by graft seeds or buying seeds in the plant shop. If you do seeding with seeds, allow different seed properties with the parent. After all, seedlings with seeds are difficult, many fail and only durian farmers understand the correct technique. If you buy it at the store, choose superior seedling Montong seed. Choose the seeds are healthy and fresh, it can be seen from a good shape, batagya hard and leaves a lot and fresh. 2. Durian Montong planting preparation. Land that will be used to plant Montong durian in though first. Clean the weeds and other pegagui plants. After that, first to digembeg hoeing, then do the basic fertilization by using manure. Before planting, make a planting hole with a size of about 50 cm and the distance between planting holes is about 12 to 19 meters. After that, leave the planting hole for 2 weeks. Then give the manure and also the dolomite. After 10 days then do the planting. 3. How to plant Durian Montong. If everything is ready, do the planting. Put the seedlings of Durian Montong in the planting hole that has been prepared, then close the planting hole with the resistance around the seeds dab solid. This planter is well done in the rainy season. 4. How to care Durian Montong. Perform watering and fertilizing regularly. If the seeds have grown with a height of about 5 cm then do pruning shoots. It aims to stimulate the growth of plants Duriacu for faster. If the durian tree is attacked by a pest then immediately exterminate. Avoid trimming on twigs covered by sunlight because the twigs will not bloom. In order to produce bushy fruit, when flowering twigs then help pollination. The trick is brush the fine brush on flowers that bloom slowly at night. After the Durian Montong fruit tree, do the selection when the fruit is still 5 cm in diameter. Do the fruit cellars and give the distance between the fruit about 30 cm. When ready to harvest, wrap the durian with a cloth or bunch to avoid being damaged when falling from the tree. So we are discussing about how to cultivate Durian Montong to be fruitful fast for beginners. Hopefully the video we serve can be useful for us all. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.